ପିଲାମାନେ we will discuss here some special sets, video 2 of the set theory. Special some special sets. First bit, set of naturals. Set of naturals, it is denoted by n star. 0 1 2 3 dot dot. This is called the set of naturals. The set of naturals. Next come to the set of positive naturals or whole numbers. Set of positive naturals. Set of positive naturals, that is n set. It is contain 1 2 3 4 dot dot. 1 2 3 4 dot dot. Next is set of integers. Set of integers, it is denoted by z set or I set. Z, why it is called z set? Because Zhelum, Z-E-H-E-L-U-M, the scientist, Greek scientist Zhelum developed the set of integers. So by the name of the scientist, the mathematician Zhelum, it is denoted as Z. Z is equals to 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, dot dot, plus 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, dot dot. So it is also written as dot 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 dot, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, dot dot. This is the set of set of integers. This is called the set of integers. Now come to set of integers after. Next is set of rational numbers. Set of rational numbers. Set of rational numbers, that is denoted by Q set. Q set is x such that x is equals to p by q, p, q both are integers and q not equal to 0. This is called the set of rationals. This is remember that the set of rationals can only be expressed in set builder method. It cannot be expressed in the roster or tabular method. Keep remember that Q set, the set of rationals, only can be defined in the set builder method, not in the rational number method. Why it is not? Kahinki rational method express kari hebani? Because we cannot write the consecutive rationals in a order. गोटे ऑर्डर रे आमे consecutive rationals नंबर लिखि परिबा नाही. काहेकि धर मु एठी 0 लिखली, 0 रो नेक्स्ट rational नंबर कोन आसीबो? मु कहबो 1/10 आसीबो. मु 0 परे 1/10 नहीं, ता मझरे भी 1/100 अछि. सो वी कैन राइट 0 by 1/100. 0 परे 1/100 ता मझरे कोन आउ किछि नहीं, s अछि कोन 1/1000 रहिछि. सो द rational numbers cannot be expressed in the set or in the tabular method or the roster method. Next is set of real numbers. Set of real numbers. R. Set of real number denoted by R. X such that x square greater than equal to 0. Those numbers whose square is not negative. Those numbers whose square is not negative is called set of real numbers. नेगेटिव नो माने कौन? पॉजिटिव ही पारे बा 0 भी ही पारे. तो x such that x square greater than equal to 0 is called the set of real numbers. Next is set of irrationals. Set of irrationals. Set of irrationals, this is denoted by q dash. Q dash is r minus q, means x such that x cannot be equal to p by q and p q both belongs to z and q is not equal to 0. Say set of integers, set of real numbers ru set of rationals को out करदले आउ जहाँ रहिला that is the set of irrational numbers. Keep remember that set of rational number divided into two parts. One is algebraic irrationals. Algebraic irrationals. Algebraic irrationals कौन? Algebraic irrationals root 2, root 3, root 5. These are the algebraic irrationals. आउ transcendental irrational number कौन? Trans TRA NSCE NDE NTAL transcendental irrationals. Eta कौन? Now those numbers which cannot be the algebraic irrational numbers, which cannot be obtained by solving an algebraic equation. X square is equal to 2 को solve कले x value root 2 आसीबो सेटा algebraic equation जो root irrational आसला ताको root 2 root 3 सेटा हला algebraic irrational जोटा algebraic equation को solve कले मिलिबो नाही ताको को आजिबो transcendental irrational numbers. सेटा केमतिया pi e sin 3 tan 4 all this एटा कोंती transcendental irrational numbers. So these are the sets and now we will discuss the larger set. सबुठार बड़ सेट को वर्तमान आम डिस्कशन करिबा that is the set of complex numbers. Set of complex numbers. Set of complex numbers that is denoted by C. It is Z such that Z is equal to x plus iy. What is I? I is equal to root over minus 1. What are x and y? These are the real numbers. एटा कौन set of complex numbers. I रो value केते root over of negative number. Complex number chapter will be discussed in the after the head of the set theory. Set theory chapter सरला परे आमे complex number chapter आसीबा सेठी discussion करिबा. Anyway, this is the set n and thereafter we get another set z and thereafter we get the next larger set q set. Tatar bada set asibo r set, the set of real numbers, and the set larger to all the sets is the set of complex numbers C. Set of complex numbers. The set of complex number will be completely discussed in the set complex number chapter. है तो complex number set is the largest set. आमे ताकू आगु को डिस्कशन करिबा complex number chapter. Now come to some particular sets. Some particular sets. First bit void or null set. Void or null set. The set having no elements. The set having no elements. The set having no elements is called void set. Is called void set or null set or empty set. Void set, null set or empty set. It is denoted by what? It is denoted by phi. 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 It is denoted by phi. Next is singleton set. Singleton set. Singleton means single element thibo. The set having single element called the singleton set. The set having single element is called singleton set. Singleton set. Those set रे केवल मात्र गोटी एलिमेंट थिबो. That set is called the singleton set. Now we will discuss some examples on empty set and singleton set. Singleton set और empty set भितर किछि एग्जांपल आमे डिस्कशन करिबा. पिला माने we write phi just like this. Phi without any element called the phi set and it is in tabular form. It is in tabular form or roster form. How we discuss in the set builder form? Set builder by definition method केमती discussion करिबा x such that x not equal to x. This is set builder method. How can we लिखिपरिबा x such that x is both even and odd, both even and odd integer. X is both even and odd integer. How can we कहिपरिबा x such that x is a week of 10 days, week of 10 days. X such that x is a week of 10 days. How can we कहिपरिबा x such that x is a month of 35 days. 35 days रो month केबे नाही माने 5 set. 10 days रो केबे week नाही, so then 5 set. So these are the example for the empty set. Now come to singleton set example. Come to example for singleton set. Come to example for singleton set. A set. Can I write this is x only? गोटे element अछि singleton set. The set having single element, this set contains the single element, singleton set. B set 1, 1 square, 1 cube, 1 to the power 4 dot dot. This is also singleton set because the element 1 contain only 1 square is 1, 1 cube is 1, 1 to the power 4 is 1. So this is the singleton set. C set x, y, z, y, z, x, z, x, y. Look at x, y, z is same as y, z, x is same as z, x, y, and this is single element, and this element is same as this element, same as this element. These three elements are same expression. So we write C set as x, y, z. It is also singleton set. Next is the D set. D set, can I write x, comma, curly bracket x? Is it singleton set or not? No, because x is not same as curly bracketed x. X is not same as curly bracketed x. So it is not singleton set. Not singleton set. These are about the singleton set, and now we will discuss some other parts of the set theory. We will discuss now cardinality of a set. Before going through the cardinality of set, come to what is finite and infinite set. Finite and infinite set. What do you mean by finite set? ओडिया ताकू असीम set कहते, infinite माने असीम set कहते. The set having finite number of elements. The set having finite number of elements is called finite set. The set having finite number of elements is called finite set. Otherwise it is called infinite set. Otherwise it is called infinite set. The set having finite number of elements called finite set. The set having infinite number of elements is called infinite set. Come to example. A set 1, 1 square, 1 cube, 1 to the power 4 dot dot. This is a finite set. Kaiki? Because this contains the single element 1. Because this contains the single element 1. So it is finite. B set, look at 1, 2, 3, 4 dot dot. It is infinite set because it is having infinite number of elements. C set x, y, z, x, y, z, x, y, z it is here XYZ repeated, so it is only 3 elements contain, so it is finite set. It is finite set. The set having finite number of elements called finite set, and the set having infinite number of elements is called infinite set. Now, what is cardinality of a set? This is the last part of this video. Cardinality of set. Cardinality of a set. This is also called cardinal number. This is also called cardinal number of a set, or it is called order of a set. Order of set. The number of distinct elements, the number of distinct elements present in a set, called its cardinality, or order of a set. It is the cardinality of set A. Cardinality of set A. Cardinality of set A is denoted by, cardinality of set A is denoted by A magnitude, or A को magnitude भीतर रखिबा, और केमति लिखि परिबा n bracketed A, number of elements in A, और केमति लिखि परिबा O bracketed A, order of the set A. This is called order of the set A. Now we will discuss some cardinality of sets. What is the cardinality of this set? A set 1, 3, 5, 7. Here cardinality A is equal to 4. B set alpha beta, beta alpha, alpha beta. Here alpha beta repeated, so alpha beta only 2 elements. Therefore beta cardinality in a B cardinality is 2, only 2 elements contain. C 1 curly bracketed 1, double curly bracketed 1, and 1 comma double single curly bracketed 1. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 elements. So cardinality of C is equals to 4. Now there are some more properties, and in the next composites, after the composition of sets, we will discuss properties of cardinality, and that part is very much important in the set theory. Set theory सेटा बहुत important अच्छी. Next class हम ताको next video रे discussion करिबा. Thank you.